In this EIE for Kindergarten how-to video, we'll show you how to prepare and use the workstations for Lesson 6 of Here's the Scoop, Designing Trash Collectors. Place the aluminum trays such that they will be accessible to both pairs of students. Place the bottle caps, coffee stirrers, metal nuts, and pom-poms into one of the aluminum trays at each workstation. Reserve the water to add to the trays in a later step. Set out the trash collector handles and the trash collector materials. Pre-cut several strips of vinyl duct tape for each group and arrange these along the edge of the aluminum trays or the work tables. This tape is waterproof and must be used during this lesson. Otherwise, the trash collectors will fall apart once they get wet. Students will use this workstation to test the trash collectors they design. When students are ready to test, pour about 1 inch of water into one of the aluminum trays at each workstation. Students should use their trash collector to scoop trash out of the model pond. They will empty the contents of the trash collector into the second tray and observe whether the trash collector picked up any water.